actual task that you're doing today is at a website. So this click me right here, boom, you click it, and you may need to install the Flash Player. If you do that, right click your screen and you should get some sort of Adobe Flash Player settings right here. Click begin, and we're going to start with the tutorial. I highly suggest taking this little guy and doing a side-by-side that we learned how to do yesterday so that you can see what your questions are. This first part is just part of the introduction. You're not going to find a direct answer in the introduction. It's just, I want you to tell me, why is a scientific method used? Don't think too hard about it. It's not a super in-depth question. Just why would you need to use a scientific method? From here on out, you're going to be able to find the information to the purple down to the red in these titled sections. So for define the problem, you're going to find that somewhere in here. Now, there are some interactive questions that I do want you to answer. I won't be able to see your progress on this, and if you click at the front, so you click off of it and go back here, it's not going to save your progress, so you have to click through. Please be aware of that. But this will be verbatim. You just fill in the blank, collect information, tell me why this is important, what two-word term is synonymous or similar to hypothesis, what aspects of a problem help form the hypothesis, what do you do with the data, if your data disproves your hypothesis, testing it, so on and so forth. And so that's all. This is the notes section of today's assignment. From here, you're going to go to slide 16,